I just think more and more people are going to catch on to that. I think what Harry Stebbings did so brilliantly was by creating like founder content, he's like attracting the best of the best through deal flow. But I think that model is going to shift, right? Like you as a VC investing in media for deal flow is actually going to just be table stakes. You can't even like write a single check unless you like have some sort of awareness and presence for deal flow. But that is going to be table stakes. I think the best funds are going to build an audience around their thesis, which is kind of what we're doing, and like the bet I'm making, which is like we have this thesis around like what ambitious women are looking for and the tools and resources that help them achieve. And we're going to invest in the companies that are fulfilling that thesis, because now on the side, we're building this audience like desperately looking for the answer to this thesis. And so we can just so quickly plug and play and give this portfolio founder in this company infinitely more advantage than another fund who just wrote a check for the exact same amount of equity.